Okay, so the very first thing I need to do is shut the water off, and I've got it shut off now, and I've got to flush the toilet, let all the water go down. I still had a little bit of water in there. I've got the valve handle turned off. Okay, I got as much water as going to come out of there, and we had a crazy clean thing in there. I'll have to make sure to put that back in. And now I need to take a sponge or anything that you have. I used to do it with a paper cup, but then you can't get everything out. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this for the rest of that water. Okay, and when I get all done, I got my simple green here, and I'm gonna clean everything up on the floor, around the toilet. I'll probably even clean the toilet too. I always like to make things look better than when I got there and make it look like I was never there. That's the way you want it, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna spend a few more minutes getting the rest of that water out, because when I take this fill valve out, it's going to have a hole at the bottom, and then that water is going to dump down on the floor. Now, if you wanted to, I guess you could grab a bucket or something, and we're going to take the water pipe that's coming up to the bottom of the toilet. We have to disconnect that too. And then when you take this out, the water's going to come out, and you could catch that with a bucket or something like that. But, you know, I'm just going to do it with the sponge, be done with it.